Google page, enter ardeybe.com to take you to our website. So once you've done that, I'll show you the different ways whereby you can order your favorite meal. So the first way is to click on the Let's Eat button in the home page. So once you click on the Let's Eat button, you can see the different collections within our web store. So if you're after a particular dish or option, this comes in very handy. So another way to order is also to go via the home page, and you can choose from the different categories. Again, if you are after rice dishes, soup dishes, grills, if you have something particular in mind, again, you can use this option to order a meal. Then one of the other way again is to click on the menu page and click on portion meal, and this will show you all of the different menu we have within our website. So you can just scroll down, choose a menu. For this video, I'm going to choose the assorted meat pepper soup. So if you want to know the full details about the meal you are ordering, you need to click on the title. So once you click on the title, that will give you everything you need to know about your meal. So the first one is the temperature. This shows you how your meal is dispatched. So this one is dispatched frozen. So if you want to know more about the meal, you can click on the description. Tells you everything you need to know about the meal. If you want to know the ingredients that were used in preparing the meal, that option gives you the information. Then if you want to see the allergy chart for this particular meal, that button gives you that info. Directed preference as well, size guide. You want to see how many feeds your particular option will feed, that gives you the information. So the order schedule shows you when your order will be dispatched, as you can see, and the cutoff time. So if you have any additional questions, the FAQ will give you pre-answered questions. So yeah, once you are happy, you can then click the Add to Cart button. Once you click on that, that will take you directly to your shopping cart, or what we call the shopping basket. So another way again that you can order, should you want to add more item to your basket, is to click on the Continue Shopping button. Or from this page, you can use the search box to search for your favorite meal. So in this example, I want to search for puff puff. When you click on the search button, you can then enter puff puff, and that would take you to the page. So again, there are different options for the puff puff. I'll click on that. If you want to change the toppings from plain to whatever options you want, you can also do that. So once you've done that, happy with the order, then you can add to cart. Again, this will take you to your shopping basket, where you can see the list of items in your shopping cart. So once you are done with this, you can then choose the date where you want your order to be dispatched. So be mindful, this is the order dispatch date and not when your order is delivered. Again, if you want to add a note or gift a message to your order, you can do that. Just simply type in what you want the order to say. So moving on, as I was saying, to choose your shipping date, you click on the standard shipping button, and that just gives you the different date, and you can choose what you want that to be dispatched. So before you can check out, you need to read the terms and refund policy, just to make sure you agree to our terms and refund policy. Once you are happy, tick the checkbox and then tick on the checkout button, and this will again take you to the checkout page, where you can then enter your full details, your email address, your shipping address, and your card details. Then you can then make payments. I hope you find this video helpful, and we can't wait to start getting your orders. Thank you for listening. Bye.